Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Call of Duty mobile game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the size of your buttons on the Call of Duty mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Call of Duty mobile on your smartphone and then log in using your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the homepage from which you can start enjoying your matches right away. Now, if you wish to change the size of your buttons within the game, then in order to do this, just tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now from the settings page, go ahead and tap on controls and then choose the various different modes from the top section. Within each mode, you will be able to customize your layout of your buttons. Just tap on the go button alongside custom layout. And now you will be able to define the layout of each and every buttons. Now for instance, if you wish to increase the size of the shoot button or the trigger button, then make sure that you select it by tapping on it. Once you see it selected with a yellow highlight, you will now see the scale as well as the position changer at the top section. In order to increase or decrease the size, you can move the slider on the scale value, and if you move it to the left, it will decrease the size of your button, and if you move it to the right, this will increase the size. Once you have achieved your desired size, you can click on the Save and Use option. You can do this with all of the various different buttons, and you may also change the position that these buttons are situated or located in if you wish to do so. Once you are done, tap on the Save and Use option, and now your layout has been applied to your selected mode right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the size of your buttons on the Call of Duty mobile game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.